In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning 3D parallax interactive website using Wix Studio. This is perfect if you want to add depth, motion, and a premium interactive feel to your website without writing any code. Wix Studio makes it incredibly easy to achieve modern 3D-style parallax effects using built-in media and mouse animations. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add transparent videos and mouse-based effects to bring your design to life. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix Studio and web design tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account, then open the site you want to work on or create a new project. Once the Wix Studio editor loads, you'll see your canvas in the center and the editing tools on the left-hand side. This is where all the magic happens. Next, look to the left toolbar and click on Add Elements. This opens the element panel where you can add everything from text and containers to advanced media elements. From this menu, click on Media. Inside the Media section, you'll see several options, but the one we're looking for is Transparent Video. Transparent videos are key for creating layered 3D-style visuals that blend seamlessly into your design. Now click on Transparent Video and choose any video you like to add it to your page. You can resize and reposition it anywhere on the canvas. For best results, place it in a section where you want users to immediately notice movement and depth, such as a hero section or an interactive showcase area. Once the video is placed, click directly on the video element to open its settings. With the video selected, navigate to Animation and Effects. From there, click on Mouse Effects. This is where the 3D parallax effect really comes to life. You can choose from different mouse-based animations that react to user movement, creating a sense of depth and interactivity. Add any mouse effect you like, such as tilt, follow, or subtle movement. Adjust the intensity and direction to match your design style. Small, smooth movements usually work best for a professional 3D parallax feel. As you tweak the settings, preview the effect by moving your mouse over the canvas and watching how the video responds. You can repeat this process with multiple transparent videos or elements, layering them at different depths to enhance the 3D illusion. Combining transparent videos with mouse effects is one of the easiest ways to create an interactive parallax website that feels modern and immersive. Once you're happy with the result, save your work and preview the site to see how it feels from a visitor's perspective. The interaction should feel smooth, responsive, and visually engaging. And that's it. You've successfully created a 3D parallax interactive website using Wix Studio. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Wix Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.